Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: imminent, impending, about to happen, coming or likely to happen very soon. Coming or likely to happen very soon. Normally in a negative sense ma. So what is that negative sense means? Especially something unpleasant, that is what going to happen very soon. So that is what we call it as imminent. Synonyms: at hand, near, approaching, inevitable, immediate, forthcoming, unavoidable, close, looming, possible, near, coming. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: remote, unlikely, later, doubtful, avoidable, never, distant, escapable. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the official concern warned that an earthquake was imminent. Ma clear? Flounder, struggle mentally, show or feel great confusion, be in a serious difficulty. That is what we call it as flounder. So flounder synonyms: thrash, tumble, flop, stumble, wallow, fumble, make a mess of, toil, strive, blunder. All these words can be related to synonyms. Now we do have one more meaning for flounder. It's a flat sea fish that can be eaten or used as food. That is what we call it as flounder. A flat sea fish that can be eaten or used as a food. That is also one more meaning. Remember that one. Ma clear? So antonyms: make good progress, do well, succeed. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: stock markets all over the world are floundering due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Very true na? Stock markets all over the world are floundering due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We can give even one more example. Although his business was a success, his marriage was a floundering. So although his business was success, his marriage was floundering. Ma clear? Stranded, helpless, unable to get out of a situation, left helpless, left in a place where you cannot escape. You cannot escape. Left in a place where you cannot escape. That is what the meaning of stranded. Synonyms: deserted, marooned, ditched, left in the lurch, wrecked, beached, grounded, dumped. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: accompanied, rescued, saved, afloat, found, kept, retained, reclaimed. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: during the storm, stranded passengers slept at the airport. He left me stranded with no money in the middle of the road. That also can be given as one more example. Flout, F-L-O-U-T, flout, defy, to intentionally not obey a rule, law or custom. That is what we call it as flout. To intentionally not obey a rule, law or custom. Openly disregard by rejecting or ignoring. Openly disregard by rejecting or ignoring. That is what we call it as flout. Synonyms: go against, scorn, ridicule. Ridicule, mock at. That is also one more meaning for flout. So go against, scorn, ridicule, laugh at, insult, jeer, fleer, sneer, deride, scoff at. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: observe, compliment, respect, honor, praise, approve, commend, flatter. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: despite repeated warnings, they have continued to flout the law. Despite repeated warnings, they have continued to flout the law. One more example also can be given. Many motorcyclists flout the law by not wearing helmets. Ma clear? Induce, persuade, succeed in persuading or leading, making someone to do something, or to persuade someone to do something, to convince someone to do something. That is what we call it as induce. Clear? Synonyms: convince, prompt, cajole, coax, motivate, influence, instigate, sweet talk, get, make. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: dissuade, prevent, stop, leave alone, stay, discourage, delay, destroy, deter. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they induced her to take the job by offering her a bonus. They induced her to take the job by offering her a bonus. Rally, recover, to return or bring to better condition. That is what we call it as rally. One more meaning is there: public gathering. That is also we call it as rally. Rally, recover, to return to or bring to better condition. A public meeting of a large group of people, especially to show support for a particular opinion. That is what we call it as rally. Synonyms: improve, revival, gathering, convention, session, mass meetings, marshalling, demonstration, assembly, campaign, upturn, comeback, protest. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: deteriorate, fading, weakening, sinking, worsening, failing, regression. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: share prices fell again today after yesterday's rally. Share prices fell again today after yesterday's rally. One more example also can be given: he struggled for a moment, then rallied again. He struggled for a moment, then rallied again. Combat, fight, to try to stop something unpleasant or harmful from happening or increasing. That is what we call it as combat. Fight between two people or things. That is also we call it as combat. A fight especially during a war. That is also we call it as combat. Clear? So combat, to try to stop something unpleasant or harmful from happening or increasing. Fight between two people or things. A fight especially during a war. All these are related to combat. Synonyms: tackle, attack, resist, oppose, battle, contest, conflict, encounter, fray, skirmish, war, shootout. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: give in to, surrender, calm, agreement, compromise, harmony, accord. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I have to combat this constant desire to eat non-veg. I have to combat this constant desire to eat non-veg. Finally, an effort to combat drug trafficking has been made by the police. Finally, an effort to combat drug trafficking has been made by the police. One more example also can be given, right? Indict, cite. It's indict, not indict. It's indict. Pronunciation, be careful here. Indict, to accuse someone officially of a crime on the basis of positive legal evidence. To accuse someone officially of a crime on the basis of positive legal evidence. That is what we call it as indict. To charge with offense. To charge with offense. Synonyms: summon, prosecute, charge with, accuse, criminate, defame, impeach. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: acquit, absolve, free, exonerate, exculpate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: our former manager was indicted for fraud. Our former manager was indicted for fraud. A jury is expected to indict him for murder. A jury is expected to indict him for murder. Are you clear? Spike, put a stop to. We have different meanings for a spike. So we will see one by one. A narrow thin shape with a sharp point at one end, a piece of metal. So we can call it as pin. That is one of the meanings for spike. To raise to a higher amount, price level usually. That is also we call it as spike. to make drink stronger by adding alcohol to give flavor. That is also one more meaning of spike. And we haven't discussed this, put a stop to, right? So to decide not to publish an article in a newspaper due to various reasons, that is also called spike. That is what we call it as put a stop to. Synonyms: put an end to, rise, pierce, pin, fasten, price, nail, increase. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: begin, decrease, release, loosen, unfasten, fall, unpin, detach. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: since the article was too controversial, they spiked it. Since the article was too controversial, they spiked it, they stopped it. One more example also can be given. He doubted they would spike the entire effort over this one negotiation. He doubted they would spike the entire effort over this one negotiation. More clear? Deprived, disadvantaged, deprived, not having basic needs for a pleasant life, such as money, food, shelter, good living conditions, education. So this is what we call it as deprived. Lacking adequate food, shelter, education. Lacking adequate food, education, money. So all these are comes under deprived. One more meaning is also there, to remove from a position of power person. That is also called deprived. Synonyms: underprivileged, needy, oust, uncrown, bankrupt, unseat, unthrown, depose, dethrone, poor, bereave. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: fortunate, bestow, appropriate, give, offer, confer, crown, initiate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: though Shilpa is a great star, she had a deprived childhood. One more example also can be given. The charity cares for destitute and deprived children. The charity cares for destitute and deprived children. I hope you are clear. Quash, cancel, to forcefully stop something that you do not want to happen. That is a typical one. Remember, if you do not want to happen, so you will stop that one forcefully by whatever the means you are having. That is also we call it as quash. Quash, to forcefully stop something that you do not want to happen. To say officially that something, especially an earlier official decision, is no longer to be accepted. That is what we call it as quash. Cancel. Synonyms: reverse, rescind, annul, to nullify, repress, crush, make void, overturn, put down, to suppress summarily and completely. That is what we call it as quash. Already many we have discussed regarding rescind, annul, void, nullify and overturn. So I don't think so I need to give any further explanation. Hope you are clear. Antonyms: validate, support, permit, let go, encourage, sanction, rebuild, compliment. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he appealed against this conviction and it was quashed. Clear? One more example also can be given. Under those circumstances, we are left with no other option but to quash that order. Clear? Dexterous, deft, having the ability to perform a difficult action quickly and skillfully with the hands. That is what we call it as dexterous. Synonyms: adept, adroit, expert, clever, artful, active, apt, savvy, skilled, nimble. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: stupid, unskilled, awkward, clumsy, inept, unable, inexpert. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the management praised her dexterous handling of the crisis. The management praised her dexterous handling of the crisis. One more example also can be given. My friend is a dexterous drum and piano player. My friend is a dexterous drum and piano player. Hope you are clear with this. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.